How to change language on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change language on the Shein app, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you would like to change your language on Shein because maybe you don't understand anything, it is very simple. All you have to do is open up the Shein application over here. Now even if you don't understand the language, just follow the instructions based on the icon that I actually select. So from here you have to go to this me option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the me option, if you look at the top right, you'll find the little gear icon, which is the settings cog icon. You want to make sure to simply tap on the settings icon here. Once you're here, you'll find this option right under location that says language. So it is at the first, second, third, fourth, fifth option. Right between the location and right between currency, there is a specific option called language. Just make sure to tap on it. Over here, all you have to do is simply select the language that you want to change to. Currently not many languages available. You can see in my case only English and Espanol is available. If you want to change it, you can select them and then change it accordingly as well. That's all it takes to change language on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.